We are making red velvet cheesecake. I'm just using a red velvet cake mix. All right, we've got our cake, oil and water, and our eggs. We're making it just according to the box. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Then we are going to grease our pan and just pour in. Okay, now we're gonna throw this in our oven and bake according to the directions. All right, for our red velvet cake filling, this is cream cheese and whipping cream. Half a cup of sugar. I got a quarter of a cup of sour cream. Then my lemon juice right there. And my vanilla. This is one that I was adapting from 2 different recipes. I'm gonna add more sugar. It needs more sugar. All right, guys, this is recipe testing live. This is actually how we do recipe testing. I take recipes and then I actually make them taste good. Much better. It needed way more sugar than the original recipe. I'm glad I added more. I forgot the powdered sugar. That's why. Hold, please. Gotta add the powdered sugar.
That's gonna be super sweet.
Actually, I still don't think it had enough sugar, even with the powdered sugar, because it just tasted like cream cheese. All right, we have the red velvet cake all cool, and I can see that it is pulled away from the side, so I don't need to use the knife to get it off. Now I'm gonna turn it over. Ooh. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it upside down so that I will have a flat top. Now I'm gonna cut my red velvet cake in half. Slide this and save this for later, okay? Part of the cheesecake. Okay, right in the center. Right, our red velvet cheesecake. I have to say, I love red velvet cake and I love cheesecake. This would be my dream combination dessert. Oh, this is the moment of truth. Oh, it didn't make a clean cut. I didn't think it would.